and welcome to my YouTube channel Rabika Tech. How you are doing? I just wish all good, and with our new project and website. I always try to introduce those projects. I wanna share our great project. This token name is Monster Dog Play Iran. आगे आप देख सकते हैं what is Monster Dog Play to Iran and NFT platform. Monster Dog is a play to Iran NFT platform developed around breedable collectible and cute animals. We all monster dogs. Each puppy is unique and exclusive to you. It can to be imitated, stolen, or deleted. 1.0 auto liquidated pool of every transaction is transformed into liquidated for bank swap. It's automatic and help create a price floor stability. Redistribution in BNB of every buy sell is taken and redistributed to all holders. Hold SMDT token to Iran extra more BNB auto paid. You don't you do not need to claim your Iran BNB. It's automatically sent you your wallet. Marketing plan. 2% of every transaction is allocated to marketing. This will allow us to promote monster dodge to the moon. Active damp lock. 1% C fell. Autopaid. You don't need to claim your Iranite BNB. It's automatically sent to your wallet. Marketing plan. 2% of every transaction is allocated to marketing. This will allow us to promote monster dose to the moon. Anti-dump lock. 1% fee. Cells are restricted to less than 0.1 of the total supply. Extra fee is applied to all cells. This will allows us to reduce swing trading and break walls control. Liquidity secured by DXL. Liquidity will be locked with DXL for 12 months. This feature ensures investors' safety as liquidity funds are safely locked. Roadmap. Website launch. Build a strong community. Pre-sale on DXM. Listing on PancakeSwap. Token launch. Smart contract edit. Coin market cap listing. CoinGecko listing. Marketing. Start wallet development. Start game development. Community building. Whitebit listing. Bit market listing. Beta launch. Implementation of future apprenticeships with other project. Frequently asked question. FAQ. Learn more about our monster token, dogs token. What is MD token? MDT is the BNB reflection token on the Binance Smart Chain. BNB rewards are sent to your wallet directly. All you need to do is hold MDT and Iran BNB rewards wholly. What are benefits of holding MDT token? Is there are a minimum amount of MDT token needed? What is Monster Doge coin contract address? Will my rewards always be paid wholly? How can I contact the team? Community. Be part of Monster Dog community. Join us extremely active community that loves our mission. Our Telegram channel is filled with community members to 24/7 that hold love to help you. Do not trust random message of people claiming to be sport or every give out your wallet info to anyone. Join us. How are we team? Team get familiar with our main monster dodge characters. Clark, Frankie, Blady, Fido. Get in touch. Contact if you have question for us or business purpose. Feel free to contact us. Add full name, add email address, add phone number, add subject, and add your message and send message. BS6 Scan, a product of Etherscan, Monster George PancakeSwap, and this is my video. Allah Hafiz.